Hardware installation of the Ishare solution. RGAM5528SF is an optical Ishare Plus Master AP. It has a maximum PoE power output of 480 Watt for the whole device. It provides 4 uplink 10G SFP ports, 24 downlink 1G 2.5G SFP ports, 24 PoE ports. Ports 1P to 20P support PoE Plus. Each port supports the maximum power output of 30 Watt. Ports 21P to 24P support PoE Plus PoE Plus. Each port supports the maximum power output of 90 Watt. RG Hybrid Box is a hybrid box for photoelectric hybrid cables. It offers 24 slots on the front panel for routing 24 prefabricated pigtails. It has U-shaped slots and wire holders inside, where 24 pairs of copper cables can be crimped here. The built-in splicing tray can accommodate 24 optical fibers. Crimped copper cables and spliced optical fibers can be arranged neatly in the internal hybrid box, and then let out of the rear panel outlet of the RG Hybrid Box. RG MAP 852 SFS is a Planet AP. It has 2 RF ports, 1 Ethernet port, 1 SFP port, and 1 console management port. RG Fiber MT is a fiber storage base box for Planet APs. It is used to coil optical fibers and cables when a Planet AP is installed. RG Hybrid P is a photoelectric hybrid pigtail for connecting an optical Ishare Plus Master AP to a hybrid box. A photoelectric hybrid cable is composed of a butterfly-shaped optical cable and a 2-core copper cable. Installing the Master AP and hybrid box. Installation procedure. Unscrew the top cover of the hybrid box. Remove the top cover. Press the photoelectric hybrid pigtails into the U-shaped slots of the hybrid box in sequence. Crimp the cable parts of the photoelectric hybrid pigtails into the wire holders in sequence. After connecting, gently pull out the cables to ensure that they are securely connected. Install other photoelectric hybrid pigtails in turn. We install 4 photoelectric hybrid pigtails here as an example. Arrange the optical fiber parts of the photoelectric hybrid pigtails along the wire holders to the back of the wire holders. Route the photoelectric hybrid cables into the hybrid box through the back of the hybrid box. Fasten them with cable ties. Split the flexible optical cable of a photoelectric hybrid cable from the copper cable. Peel off the outermost sheath of the copper cable by 3 cm to 5 cm. Peel off the sheaths of the 2 wires in the copper cable by 5 mm and crimp them into the wire holders in sequence. After connecting, gently pull out the cable wires to ensure that they are securely connected. Pick up 1 pigtail and 1 hybrid cable and splice their optical fibers. Note, after splicing, the optical fibers should be coiled and fixed in the internal hybrid box. Splice other optical fibers in turn and fix them in the internal hybrid box. Place the optical Ishare Plus Master AP on the workbench. You can also tightly install it into a cabinet by using mounting brackets. Install cage nuts on the left and right sides of the rack. Hold the hybrid box horizontally and fasten the left and right mounting brackets of the hybrid box to the front side of the rack. Note, keep 1 U spacing between the optical Ishare Plus Master AP and the hybrid box. Insert an SPF transceiver. Insert the LC connector and DC connector of a photoelectric hybrid pigtail into the optical Ishare Plus Master AP. Mark the photoelectric hybrid pigtail with a label containing the peer AP position, MAC address, and other information for the ease of management. It is necessary to make a power connector before connecting a Planet AP. Peel off the sheath at the end of a hybrid cable, insert the 2 exposed copper wires into the 2 holes of a terminal block, and then tighten the screws. There are 3 cabling modes for the installation of an AP. 1. Side cabling mode. Two. Rear cabling mode. Connecting cables to a planet AP. After fiber splicing is completed, lead the fiber pigtail and power cable out of the hole on the base. At the fiber coiling position on the back of an AP, coil the optical fiber and power cable by half a turn and then connect them to the AP. 3. Cabling using a base box. Connecting cables to a planet AP. Route the flexible optical cable of a photoelectric hybrid cable and power cable out of one side or bottom of the base box. After splicing, coil the excess optical fiber and power cable in the base box, route the optical fiber and power cable through the hole in the upper left corner of the base box, and then connect them to an AP. Connection of the PoE adapter and LC connector. Connecting cables to an indoor planet AP. Pull up the crimping shafts of a PoE adapter. Crimp the copper wires of a hybrid cable into the slots of the PoE adapter. Insert an SPF transceiver and connect the PoE adapter to the PoE powered port of an AP. Splice the butterfly-shaped fiber of the hybrid cable with an LC pigtail and then connect the fiber to the optical port of the AP. Mount the indoor planet AP on a wall. Network cable intertwining and LC connector connection. Connecting cables to an outdoor planet AP. Install a waterproof connector for a network cable. Make an RJ45 connector according to the T568 wiring scheme. Peel off the twisted pair cable. 4 twisted pairs are exposed. Intertwine the orange-white, orange, blue-white, and blue wires with the red wire of a hybrid cable. And intertwine the white-green, green, white-brown, and brown wires with the blue wire of the hybrid cable. Then wrap insulating tape around the intertwined wires. Splice the hybrid cable with an LC pigtail, and place the intertwined part of the network cable in a waterproof box and fix it with cable ties. Connect the network cable to the PoE powered port of an AP. Insert an SPF transceiver module into the optical port of the outdoor AP, then insert the optical fiber into the SPF transceiver, and tighten the waterproof connector. This is the end of the hardware installation demonstration video.